Hello everyone, today I want to talk about something simple but powerful, the use of metal items at home. Many of us have stainless steel cups that look durable, but their handles often crack or loosen over time. But instead of throwing them away, I thought, why not turn this problem into an opportunity? So today, I'll show you how. I built a homemade handheld welding device. From simple materials in my hand is a regular spark plug, the same one you find in car engines first. I removed the spark plug terminal and set it aside. Then I prepared the screws and a single-port electrical connector taken from an old terminal block. This will act as a bridge for connecting the parts next. I take a short piece of wire, connect one end to the threaded tip of the spark plug and the other end to the metal body. This allows electricity to flow through the plug efficiently after securing it. I attach the connector we prepared earlier with a screw. This connector will hold the soldering tip later, completing the first step of our homemade welder. Then I prepare two wires. One of them connects to the ground terminal of the spark plug and the other end goes to a crocodile clip. This will later attach to the power source. Now it is time to make the handle. I take a piece of PVC pipe, drill a hole just right for the spark plug and screw in the threaded part 2, secure it. The fit is tight, stable, and surprisingly professional. I feed the wire through first, then screw everything together to keep it neat. After that, I connect the other end of the wire to another crocodile clip. Now we have a compact handle with attached clips for easy connection for the soldering tip. I remove the core from a battery, clean it thoroughly and round one end using sandpaper. This helps it conduct heat and electricity better. Once smooth, I attach it to the connector on the spark plug and our welding device is ready. Next comes the power source. I use a small battery and attach the crocodile clips to the positive and negative terminals. The moment the terminals touch, you can see a spark appear the first time. I tried it. I was amazed that such a small homemade device could produce sparks like a real welder. The battery core conducts electricity, generating heat while the wires carry current and the battery supplies power. It's a simple circuit, but powerful enough to join small metal pieces together. I've used this device during camping trips to fix a broken stove support, and it worked perfectly. A few sparks in the metal parts were reconnected securely. It has proof that with creativity and understanding, you can turn basic materials into functional tools. Safety always comes first. Make sure the surfaces are dry. Never touch the positive and negative terminals directly and keep a safe distance. Proper preparation is key. A simple principle, but powerful results. Prepare the wires with clips in advance. Secure every connection and test carefully. The device is compact, easy to carry, and perfect for outdoor use or home repairs. Imagine camping at night, something breaks, and in minutes, you fix it yourself using your own DIY welder. It's not just about repairing metal, it's about independence, creativity, and learning through doing. DIY is more than building tools. It's about confidence, the thrill of seeing sparks fly from something you built with your own hands. It's proof that when knowledge meets creativity, even simple things can turn into powerful innovations. So next time something breaks down, throw it away. Look at it as a chance to create something new, and maybe your own sparks of inspiration will start to fly.